slept so bad, but Lexie texted me and I haven't seen her in so long. So I'm gonna get dressed really quick to go hang out with her. I really haven't had any go-to outfits lately. My friend gave me this shirt, but I'm like, is this not a daytime shirt? This is not a daytime shirt. I have to send this back to my friend Rose. It's her prettiest dress. So maybe that's what I wear. Maybe I wear this little dark cardigan over. This. I'll wear a little cap. That's fine. I have to.
Set her on up. Saturday. Happy Saturday. We're here with Lexie. You know who she is.
The girlies are shopping. We're gonna get shopping.
Food. I got a little Kosas concealer that I needed from Sephora.
Sephora was having a 20%
They were doing
off. I didn't think
everything in
Sephora did sales.
Yeah, it was kind of magical. Got this Huda Beauty, which I've never had anything from them. It's a lip liner in warm brown.
I got Pat McGrath eyeshadows and a lip gloss.
Cute.
The eyeshadows are unbelievably pigmented if you've never tried before, and then the lip glosses are also fantastic. I fully look at you and engage the way I want to.
Lexie's being a good driver.
It's also so much hotter than I expected. I was like, sweater, jeans, like, I'll warm up.
I don't know how to dress. Okay, great color.
Let's see.
Honestly, perfect color. You can't really see it in the video. That'll do. Okay, I was out with Lexie all morning and early afternoon. Now I'm taking a nap. I have eye masks on. I have teeth whitening in. I'm watching the Golden Bachelor finale drama around the whole expose, if anyone's following the pipeline. Later, I'm going to a 1-year anniversary party of a bar that a bunch of my friends work at. And it should be very fun. So excited for that, but we're resting, we're recuperating, we're having a reset moment, which is the perfect end to a Saturday afternoon in my opinion. All right, folks, it's time to get it poppin'. It's 6:25 p.m. I didn't get to take a nap because my body wouldn't let me, but I laid for a while, watched Golden Bachelor. Equivalent to napping for a few hours though is sitting in a hot shower, or just sitting down in the shower, letting the hot water hit you is so rejuvenating. It's restful. So I just did that. I'm gonna do a little face massage, put my legs up. I'm gonna put ice in this coffee from earlier. I am excited to go out tonight. Sometimes you go through different priorities in life. For months on end, I was really not prioritizing. Definitely not being out, definitely like not being in the scene, going to events, like seeing people, like I was just not interested. Been getting a little wind. It's more interesting right now for me for some reason. If you let yourself just feel something for long enough, you'll eventually get tired of it and then you'll want to do something different. Just trying to prep myself for a good night. Do I need some water too though? Yes, I do. Should I wash this dish really quick so I don't come home to dishes in the morning? Yes, I will. Is daily vlogging gonna create a monster out of me? Maybe. Little seed. Also good for your tummy before you consume alcohol. You do one thing for your future self and then it gets easier. Making a little herbal infusion for tomorrow or before I leave, if it's ready. I'll have a little infusion to drink and it'll be nice and cold in the morning. Why not some Inflacalm before I put inflammation into my body. Inflation in my body in this economy. Cook City, some fish oil. Hell yeah. Okay, we've done it. I'm ready. I'm doing such a good job at keeping up with vlogging for the most part. I'm wearing this little shirt that I got at the closet sale that someone else was selling, which I haven't worn yet, and it's so cute. I've been trying to add more red. And then I thrifted these pants the other day. They're Armani. little trousers that are pinstripe that I think are so cute, and they fit, if I say so, pretty well. Like a little low waist, tight on the butt. And then I decided to go with boots because I feel like I've been wearing my little Mary Janes a lot. My hair is on like day 4, and I just always forget that the curls look so much better the dirtier it gets. And I'm trying to wash my hair less because I'm remembering that. I'm about to go and get dinner and meet my friends, and I will try to vlog while I'm there, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I forgot to keep vlogging this night, but I did think it was crazy. I've never met Rachel before in real life, and Mother Vlogmas herself, she was out at the bar. Rachel from That's Chic, if you don't know her, we love her. And I just thought that was really funny timing that never have bumped into her over the years, whatever. And then I meet her when I first start doing Vlogmas, trying to do successfully. So I just thought that was a little sign from the universe, and we had a really silly night. She was really funny. So that's how I ended my night. It was fun, and I had fun with people at the bar. It was fun. It was a really cute night.